Hi everyone, welcome to the Cat Kings and Matt Daily series. This is Anisha here, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the NMIMS Bangalore campus. So everybody keeps asking कि Mumbai campus के अलावा which all campuses should I select for NMIMS, which programs, what is it all about? So I'm going to be helping you guys understand all the various campuses. Bangalore, Navi Mumbai, Indore, Hyderabad, all of them, and the new programs in Mumbai campus as well, one by one. Today, we are going to be talking to you guys about the NMIMS Bangalore campus. So, this campus has been there from a really long time. Okay, so people who have not heard of it, it has been there from a really long time. It started first with, um, it was a small one building, one floor campus. Now it is a very huge, good campus which is located in Bannerghatta. थोड़े Bangalore के names थोड़े offbeat sound करते हैं, but it's a very beautiful and nice campus. Earlier it used to be called as the PGDM program. Now all the off campuses are also called as MBA program. So that's a good thing. So people who have not yet registered, please make sure you first go register for NMAT. NMAT का dates book करो. NMAT का dates are 14th of October to 27th of December. Check out my video where I have given you guys insights about which date to select, why, and how to go ahead and select onto that as well. All right. The brief paper pattern for who have not yet seen it is it's an amazing adaptive exam, the only adaptive exam. 120 minutes, 108 questions. Okay, so that's going to be there. Your target score, if you see, people will come and tell me, ma'am, आपने 240 plus यहाँ पे लिखा है, cut off तो 240 plus नहीं था. The ideal score I have given you guys. ठीक है, aim for maximizing your scores because the higher your NMAT scores, the more chances we have for final conversions, right? So we will target to maximize our NMAT scores, but cutoffs are lower than that for sure. Okay, let's have a quick glimpse through of how life at NMIMS Bangalore is. Look at the campuses. This is how huge the whole campus is. You have nice cute little hostels, you have a library, the classrooms are all the Harvard style. In fact, even the Mumbai campus have this circular Harvard style classroom, lecture rooms, and everything which is there. So good campus, you'll have fun, you'll have a good life. It's an amazing weather in Bangalore which is there, but should be your second option. पहली मुंबई, ठीक है, वो चेंज नहीं हो रही है option, but second option is going to be Bangalore. A quick understanding of the batch profile of the Bangalore campus. Let's look at the specialization wise. So here majority of the students are in for marketing, and that's why the best placement. So if you look at also companies, marketing ones are really great. I mean, I have my ex students who are working with VMware and the topmost companies which are there and doing really well in marketing, finance, HR as well as analytics. ठीक है, analytics के बहुत थोड़ा सा ratio है 7%, but that's a good chunk itself in the specializations as well. Okay, most of the students are coming from various regions. Yes, maximum are from south because it's a campus located in south, and then you have the next most important is your east and the west, which is going to be there. And sorry, the maximum students coming out here are from the north region. I missed out on that. It's 30% north audience, then 18% is from south, and 26% from east and west, which is already there. The gender diversity ratio is good, 52% female, 48% male. 160 is the batch size, and average work ex is 23 months. So this is a little good average work ex. That means it's not a batch dominated by freshers. It's a batch which has combination of all of them, right? And higher work ex also. So people sometimes think कि more than 2 years work ex क्या करेंगे हम? Is it possible to convert or not? 3 years, 4 साल का experience है. It is possible because this batch, if you see, has 32% freshers, 39% in the sweet spot of 1 to 2 years of experience, and more than 24 months we have 29%. Okay, from educational background, majority are engineers, but you have a good amount of commerce students as well also, and some others from the other streams available. This is just a quick understanding of the batch profile which is there on campus of the last batch. Now let's look at the last batch placement stats also, because that's a very important thing for us to understand with respect to how is the placements and is my ROI going to be met or not, because that's very essential, right? So even in the pandemic, the Bangalore placements have not got very badly hit. I would say it's done really good job in the respect to placements. The median package was 9.5 lakhs, average package was 10.75 lakhs per annum. Top 10 percentile of the batch is got placed at 15.5 package. Top 25 percentile is at 13.85 package. Okay, which is very good. And you have really high domains coming from IT, IES, FMCG. These are the recruiters. If I look at a quick look at the recruiters, we have various companies like Accenture, Big Basket, Infosys, KPMG, Wipro, Marsh, Infosys, Oracle, Netcore, EY, all of this which come in there. You have your Salesforce, Dell, Hexaware, VMware, which I mentioned. All of these top companies which come on campus for the recruitment as well. So that's a good thing about all of these placements and the kind of companies and the kind of pure learning which you're getting, and it's very well close knit to the corporate exposure as well, right? Just talking about the last year's converts students, we had really good numbers of students making it to NMIMS. So final converts were like 173 who converted all of these off-campus programs, because a lot of students convert Bangalore plus the others as well, and then it's your choice to make. All right. So this was a quick glimpse through and understanding about NMIMS Bangalore, the campus, and all of this. All you need to do for yourself is now start preparing for NMAT, get a good NMAT score, convert your admissions. Okay, so the admission process for NMIMS Bangalore is the same as what it is for NMIMS Mumbai. Step one is to write NMAT. Step two is a CDPI. Usually it was a case discussion and a personal interview. Last year, because of the pandemic, it was all online. So case discussion was converted to a written ability test, which was again a caselet and analysis based on that which was required, and a personal interview which was conducted. Overall, with this, your weightage of NMAT has the maximum focus. Then comes your CDPI or what PI weightage. And then comes your past academics and work experience weightage. So that's not dominated by your lower. If you have bad acads, you can compensate with a good profile and a good NMAT score. All right. So I hope this videos with covering all the colleges and the overviews have been helping all of you guys. Make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel, and I hope तुम NMAT की पढ़ाई कर रहे हो. If you have not yet started, get onto the NMAT course. Tonight I will be taking your class 9 p.m. Every day you guys have 2 hours of live lectures. Saturdays NMAT special sessions with me and other NMAT toppers. तो number तो अच्छे आने ही आने हैं. We'll make sure we will convert the calls as well. All right. Let's gear up and make sure we crack NMAT. Bye bye. Take care.